Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica support videos. In this video, we will be covering how to perform the clean launch or cleanup of the developer tool. The agenda of the video is to understand and learn how to perform the clean launch of the developer tool. In certain scenarios, wherever developer tool crashes, or if you have upgraded from lower version to higher version, and if you have multiple developer client installed on the same machine, you might be asked by the Informatica support team to perform the developer tool clean launch. So let us see how this clean launch will be done. So let's see a quick demo on this. So to perform the clean launch, redirect to the location where Informatica client is installed. So go to client's location, go to the developer client location. So before performing clean launch, just make sure that none of the developer client applications are running. If it is running, you can kill the application or you can close all the running sessions of the developer client. Now to perform clean launch, just go to the location where you have installed the client. So go to developer client location. In this location, you will see multiple files and folders. Just look for the workspace directory. Yeah, so this is my workspace directory, which I'm going to rename. Now just look for the folder with the name configuration. Go inside the folder and delete all the folders except the config.ini file. So now the folders are deleted. We have also renamed the workspace directory to something else. Now we are good to relaunch the developer client. Now we just have to click on run.bat file. This will launch the developer client. So in this way we can perform the cleanup of the developer client. So now we have the clean fresh launch of the developer tool. You have to configure all the domains from the scratch. All the earlier configured domain will be lost since we have done the clean launch. Just connect to repository, configure the domain once again and start using the domain or the developer tool. So in this way, you can perform the developer tool cleanup. We would love to hear from you on this. You can write us the feedback about the video at given email ID or you can tweet us at the given link. Thank you.